feels illegal to know, you're going to want to save this video. I'm going to show you an easy and fun way to make next month's big game a big win. I'm Trip. I'm here to help brewers of great craft beer market their way to success they dream about. And I'm helping you by sharing decades of business and marketing experience. I am not going to be saying the name of the massive football game that's going to be played in a couple of weeks. That league doesn't like folks using the game's name, and I'm not looking to have that kind of headache. But that doesn't mean you can't use the biggest TV event of the year for you to take advantage of by using pools.
All right, everybody in the pool.
No, not that kind of pool. Football pool that allows you to have fun, and it's based on the game's scores. I don't partake in wagering on football any longer, but back in the day, I was in more pools than Michael Phelps.
Hey, look at me. I'm Michael Phelps.
I'm not advocating you do anything wrong here. First, let me explain the pool, how to set it up, and then some ideas how to use it. You need a poster board, a ruler, a Sharpie, nothing technical. You're going to create a big box with one smaller boxes inside, 10 rows of 10, like this. Your customers, when they enter the pool, will pick or be assigned a box. Once all 100 boxes are selected, the pool is full. If there's demand, have more than one pool. Then you're going to randomly pick the 10 numbers that go across the top and the 10 numbers running down the side. These numbers will represent the last number or the number of the score for each team in the big game. Basic way to run this is you've got 4 winners, a winner each quarter, and the final score. If the final score was 21-17, the winning number as it relates to each team would be 1 and 7. You need to clarify and identify one row, say the top row for the AFC, and the side row for the NFC. So that's how a pool works. Here's how to use it in your business. You could use this in a big game party, and anyone who attends the party gets a box in the pool and would win some merch or free drinks, etc. It's just something fun, something you give to them. Or you could ask for a donation to a local charity. Dogs are the best. We don't deserve them.
I love dogs too.
So with a donation to the local animal shelter, you'll get a box in the pool. Use your imagination. Make it fun. People who are in your pool will want to watch the game at your place. Every time a team's close to scoring, it creates loads of excitement. Some will want to score, others won't. Some will want a touchdown.
Touchdown, Giants.
Others a field goal, all based on the current score and what it might become. So this is an easy, fun way to get more folks to your place for the big game and help your customers have a great time.